Welcome to the scrapyard. It's been a while since y'all heard from me. I know. I've been working through a few things. I know some of y'all are aware I have issues with depression and a couple other things, and like I said, I've been working through things. I haven't hit a lick of the snake in 2 months. I mean, I did a little bit of gaming, but that's about it. You think you guys hadn't seen me in a while? Those guys on World of Tanks, man, were wondering where I'd been for the last 2.5 years. So there's that, But anyway, I'm back on the bench. I don't really have anything I'm working on right now. As you can see, I got a stack of projects there. Those are all Model Ts in one shape or another. This little Sapphire T, the competition coupe for Old Tom, and this is the first thing I ever put on my channel. I gotta drag this out and finish it up. Let's see. Basically done. I just gotta make the engine fit, and yeah, that thing. Man, there's nothing here y'all haven't seen already. This is one I'm using all vintage tooling on. I decided to start over with a fresh frame, so I got extra frames. But here's that. And then little red cherry popper roadster. Hopefully I can get these finished up for the first of the year. I mean, they're all just within a hair's breadth of being finished. Yeah. It's been a mess here. On top of that, man, my computer crapped out on me, man. I had to get a new one. I mean, that was kind of a hardship, man. I had to save only just about 3 months worth of pay. Not making any purchases, so like I say, I haven't really bought anything. Back before Thanksgiving, I bought a sand cat. Let's see. I don't have it handy, but it's kind of neat, man, because it's one of my first model memories, man, was that, and I think I couldn't have been more than 6 years old. Anyway, I just thought I'd let y'all know where I was at and what I was doing, and let you know I was still alive, basically. And we'll talk to you later. I'll see if I can get some stuff done this weekend. All right, everybody have a good weekend. We'll talk to you later. Bye.